Welcome to our channel. Today, we're shining a light on high-ticket affiliate marketing. What's it all about? It's a strategy where you promote products or services with high prices, often offering bigger commissions than typical low-cost items. Instead of selling lots of small items, you focus on fewer high-priced ones. This approach could let you score big with fewer sales. So, how can you get into high-ticket affiliate marketing and cash in? First, you need to choose a niche. This means picking a topic you're interested in and excited to share with others. The more you know and care about your niche, the better you'll be at promoting products in it. Then, find a product that fits your niche and has a good reputation. Research is key here. You want to promote something that's worth the price and brings real value to customers. Once you have a product in mind, join its affiliate program. This will give you the links you need to promote it. Now, how do you spread the word? Use content to connect with your audience. Create helpful and engaging content, videos, social media posts, and more. People want to hear from someone who understands their needs and can offer solutions. Plus, good content helps build trust, and trust is crucial when recommending high-ticket items. Next, learn about your audience. The better you know them, the easier it is to show how the product can fit into their lives. Address their problems and show how your product offers the perfect answer. This connection helps you earn their trust and turn your pitches into profits. Also, don't forget to use email marketing. Building an email list lets you reach out to potential buyers directly. Share news, tips, and exclusive offers to keep them engaged and interested. Networking with others in your field is another great way to grow. Connect with like-minded individuals and exchange ideas. You might find new products to promote or learn techniques to boost your strategies. And finally, remember to keep refining your approach. Monitor your results and see what works best. This lets you make informed choices and improve your tactics over time. High-ticket affiliate marketing isn't about quick wins. It's about building something solid and lasting. You can turn a profit if you combine the right approach with persistence and effort. To learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and claim your free membership, be sure to check out the link to my free PDF report in the description below.